Hi, this is Josh with gumballs.com. Today we're going to talk about assembling the Carousel Gumball machine stand. Now this stand comes in a nice box, or it can come bundled with the King Carousel or the old Columbia gumball machines, either one of these two machines. And those are the only machines that this stand works with. It will not work with any of the commercial gumball machines. When you open up this package, or in one of the King Carousel boxes, you receive several parts. First, you receive the two post pieces, then a bottom connector piece, 4 individual legs, a bag of hardware, and then a one-page sheet of instructions on how to install this machine. But we're going to take care of that right here. Now the first step when putting this machine together is you need to attach each of these legs to the base. And they slide on just like that, and then you use one of these screws and one of these nuts in order to attach it. So I will get out the hardware. Now with putting together this base plate and the legs, each foot slides on right there, and you can see that the hole goes all the way through. On the back side, it has these 2 little legs that'll hold the nut in place. So what we want to do first is take the nut and slide it into place, and then we'll take the screw and just get that up there through the nut, and then we can go ahead and use a screwdriver to screw that into place. I'm going to show it first from the bottom, as that will hold the screw in place as I tighten that. Then I get that nice and snugged up there. We'll do a second one of these, and we'll show it from the top side. Got that there. We'll put the nut where it goes in the bottom. And then I'm holding the nut in place with the back of my finger just while I get this started to get it lined up. But again, those 2 feet will hold it in place while I tighten this into the plate. And again, with these, either a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver will work. Now we're going to jump ahead to where it's fully assembled. Okay, now that we've got the 4 legs attached to this base plate, we are going to take the bottom piece, which has male threading on both ends, and screw that into the center of the piece here. Loud, but it goes in just fine. We'll cinch that up. Then the top piece, this section, just screws on right here. And now your stand is set up. Both the King Carousel and the old Columbia gumball machine have threading on the base plate of the machine. And I grabbed this piece just because it's easier than showing you on the machine, but this will go right on top. So if we take our King Carousel gumball machine and put that right like that, we can just go ahead and screw that into place. It works best if you have 2 people there holding that for you. You can see that'll screw just right into place, and there you have fully assembled your King Carousel gumball machine with the stand on the Carousel gumball machine stand.